Hi, this is Todd Olthoff, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. For this week's tip, I'm going to take a look at a couple of features that I did not get to cover in the Cardhop full show. If you haven't seen the show yet, you might want to check it out as I go in depth on all of the features in Cardhop for the Mac, as all of those features also transfer over to your iOS devices as well. Two features that are iOS only are the ability to scan business cards directly into Cardhop and the ability to create a business card that you can share with others using the share sheet in iOS. Now, one of the unique features that is only available in iOS is the ability to work with business cards. So in working with business cards on Cardhop, there are a couple of options. The first is I do have the option to scan business cards and have it automatically add the information on that business card into Cardhop itself. So I'm going to show you how that works. In order to do that, I need to come below and tap on the plus icon down there. And then I tap on Scan Business Card. And in doing so, it brings up a window for me to scan a business card. So I'm going to scan one that I have on my screen here. And so what it does is it captures all of the information, and you can see that it reads the information right off of the business card. Now, what it tries to do then is go below and fill that information in the different fields that are available for the contact. And so as you can see here, we've got the name of the person here. We've got the business or company they work for. I can change it to be displayed by company just by throwing that switch there. And you can see it moves that up to the top, or if I turn it off, then it moves it back down to the name. Now I can choose what account to sync the information to. And so if I just tap on this, I can sync the card to contacts on Exchange or on iCloud. You can see it's done a good job of capturing the phone numbers there, the two numbers that are showing. Now on my card, the 766 number there is actually a fax. And so I can just tap into here. I can change this into work fax. And rather than mobile here, I can change this over to work. So now I've categorized those things correctly. If I keep going down, you can see that there is no email. So there's no email on the card. If I keep going, you can see that it puts in the information for family practice there. It gives the address. You can see how it's filled in the information there for work. And if I scroll down, you see it's even captured the home page for the actual website for this particular person. So once I'm finished with all that and that looks good, then I tap on Save. I can always rescan and it will do it again where I can take a picture and have it set up. I'm going to go ahead and say Save. And so you can see it's added the actual contact card there with all of the information. And it's done a pretty nice job overall. You can see it's put all the information I need in there, and it's even kept the image of the actual card that I scanned. So just in case maybe something's wrong in the future, or I want to go back and look at the original business card, it shows it down below. I'll go ahead and go back to Recents and then come back in here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.